Tagalog-English sentences. Ano ito?
What's this?
Ano ito?
What's this?
Takot ka ba?
Are you afraid?
Takot ka ba?
Are you afraid?
Sino ka?
Who are you?
Sino ka?
Who are you?
Magaling ako.
I'm good.
Magaling ako.
I'm good.
Ang ingay nila.
They are noisy.
Ang ingay nila.
They are noisy.
Turuan mo ako.
Teach me.
Turuan mo ako.
Teach me.
Hindi ko alam.
I do not know.
Hindi ko alam.
I do not know.
Sandali lang.
Just a moment.
Sandali lang.
Just a moment.
Para sa akin ba ito?
Is it for me?
Para sa akin ba ito?
Is it for me?
Sabay na tayong umuwi.
Let's go home together.
Sabay na tayong umuwi.
Let's go home together.
Paano mo nasabi yan?
How did you say that?
Paano mo nasabi yan?
How did you say that?